Welcome back to Deal of the Week Off-Market Properties. If you're looking for exclusive deals that no one else knows about, you're in the right place. This week, I've got a hidden gem that won't stay hidden for long. Let's dive in before someone else snags it. Welcome to your next dream home, nestled in the beautiful community of Spring Valley. This property offers not only a peaceful living space, but also access to some of the best outdoor attractions San Diego has to offer. Just a short drive away, you'll find Lake Murray, perfect for fishing, kayaking, or a morning jog along its scenic trails. Whether you're into water sports or a quiet afternoon by the lake, this spot is a local favorite. For those who love breathtaking views, Mount Helix Park is just around the corner. You'll enjoy stunning panoramic views of the city, perfect for sunset lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. And don't forget Mission Trails Regional Park, one of the largest urban parks in the U.S. With miles of hiking trails and rugged beauty, it's the perfect place to connect with nature and explore the great outdoors. Discover this spacious 4-bedroom, 4-bath home in Spring Valley, offering 2,914 square feet on a generous 0.29-acre lot. This property is priced over $200,000 less than other homes in the area, making it a great opportunity to add your own touch and build equity. With a spacious backyard, this home offers plenty of room for outdoor projects and renovations, giving you the perfect canvas to create your ideal outdoor living space. The patio and side yard offer plenty of outdoor space for landscaping or a garden, with room to transform the area into your personal retreat with a bit of care and creativity. The living room provides a spacious area with natural light, offering plenty of potential for comfortable living and entertainment with a little refreshing. The kitchen offers ample space for cooking and dining, with plenty of potential for updates to make it a functional and inviting heart of the home. This flexible space, originally intended as a dining area, can be easily transformed to suit your needs, whether it's a home office, workout room, or anything else you envision. These generously sized bedrooms offer plenty of space and flexibility, ready for your personal touch to make them your own. The enclosed carport offers additional space for storage or creative projects, giving you plenty of options to enhance the property's functionality.
This isn't just a house, it's an opportunity. Whether you're an investor or ready to create your dream home, this property could be the perfect fit. Don't miss out. Reach out today to learn more. Like this video, share it, and subscribe for more real estate opportunities.